Mind your decisions, I'm Presh Talwalkar. A circle contains 4 identical squares as shown. Each square has a side length equal to 2. What is the radius of the circle? I adapted this problem from the Twitter account CShearer41. Pause if you'd like to give this problem a try, and when you're ready, keep watching to learn how to solve this problem. In the video, Solve for the Radius Harder Than It Looks, the challenge was to solve for the radius of this circle in terms of the lengths A, B, and C. We derived the following formula. In this video, I'm going to prove this formula once again, and then we will use this formula to solve the original problem. Let's get started. Draw a horizontal length equal to B. Then draw a vertical length that connects to the circle. By symmetry, this length must be equal to C. We then connect these two line segments, and this length will be equal to A. We then extend the line segment with a length of B to the other side of the circle, and label this length as D. By power of a point, or the intersecting chords theorem, we must have B multiplied by D is equal to the product of C and A plus C. We divide both sides by B to get the following formula for D. We then draw the following chord of the circle. Notice this chord is opposite an inscribed right angle, so it must be a diameter of the circle with a length equal to 2r. Then, in this right triangle, we can use the Gogu theorem. We have a squared plus the quantity b plus d squared must be equal to 2r the quantity squared. Now let's do some algebra. We'll substitute in for d, then we'll expand out and continue to expand out. We are now going to carefully factor the numerator. We'll do this as follows. The first 4 terms can be factored as follows. We factor out a b squared and we get the following formula. The next 4 terms we can factor out a common factor of c squared. We get the following formula. We substitute those in. Now we're going to divide both sides by 4. Then we're going to take the positive square root because we want a positive radius. We thus get the formula for the radius. So how does this help us? We've solved this problem, but we now want to solve for the radius of this circle. Well, let's convert our current problem into the one we've already solved. We'll draw this vertical length, then a horizontal length, and then another vertical length. Notice that this vertical length is equal to 2. This horizontal length will be the length of 4 squares, so it's equal to 8. And finally, this vertical length will be one side of the square and equal to 2. So we have A is equal to 2, B is equal to 8, and C is equal to 2. To show you why, let's just rotate this diagram. And we have A is equal to 2, B is equal to 8, and C is equal to 2. We can then substitute into the formula, and then we simplify it, and we immediately get that the radius is equal to the square root of 85 all over 2, which is approximately 4.61. And that's our answer. I love that this problem reduces to one we've already solved. Thanks for making Mind Your Decisions one of the best channels on YouTube. As always, thanks for watching, and thanks for your support.